If you're running Windows in 2026, your computer is likely doing two things you don't want: tracking your activity and slowing down your startup. Today on CyberSense, we are going to fix that. Here are 3 settings you need to turn off right now. First, let's stop Windows from building a profile on you. Go to your settings, find Privacy and Security, and click on General. You see this setting for Advertising ID? This is essentially a tracker that follows what you do to serve you targeted ads. You don't need it, and it's a privacy risk. Toggle this off immediately. Next, let's speed up your PC. If your computer feels slow when you first turn it on, it's usually because of this. Go to Apps and then to Startup. Everything listed here with a switch turned on is launching the second you boot up your computer, eating up your RAM. Turn off everything you don't use daily. You can still open them manually later, but they don't need to run in the background. Finally, let's limit the data going back to Microsoft. Under Privacy and Security, look for Diagnostics and Feedback. By default, Windows often sends optional data. This can include websites you browse and how you use apps. We want to keep that private. Make sure this is toggled off or set to Required Data Only. Your PC is now more private and slightly faster. I'll be posting more tech security and privacy tips here on CyberSense every week. If this was helpful, hit that like button so I know to make more. Stay secure.